All right, what do we have here? I'm excited. It's a new book. New book smell. New book smell. It is Reading the Room, Lessons on Pedagogy and Curriculum from the Gender and Sexuality Studies Classroom, edited by Natalie Kouri-Towe. This is a very frank and skillful collection, bringing together scholars from gender and sexuality studies all around the country to kind of be more frank and open about classroom experiences and how to facilitate conversations about things that are often kind of politicized for cheap culture war points on things like trigger warnings or pedagogy and curriculum in the classroom, dealing with things that are often fraught identity issues and asymmetrical power relations in the classroom. And these are some solutions that we have in order to address these things. Gender and sexuality studies has often so much been at the forefront of these kinds of discussions through intersectional feminist studies. And I feel like we're all able to benefit from the range of experiences that they're willing to share here. This is a lovely cover here, I think, that kind of gives a sense of sort of spectrum of thought or discussion. This is from Alan's Cruise over at Studio Tommy. I love this gray silver kind of quality to the book. I feel like when it all comes down to it, I feel like we need to cite one more pop culture scholar, which is 𝘓𝘦𝘴𝘴, 1991. Let's talk about sex, baby. Let's talk about pedagogy. The print edition is for sale wherever books are sold, or you can find the open access edition free from Concordia University Press's OA site, which is press.library.concordia.ca.